Introducing ISA C8X.
Hello,
Ooh.
Jessica.
Hello, everyone.
Thank you so much for this rig rundown. You're about
You're
to play
welcome.
here on the, how's it pronounced, this stage?
Strandbühne.
Thank you. Yes, I won't try it myself.
It's fine.
So you're excited about playing?
Yeah, totally. I'm super excited, especially on this very important day.
Yeah.
You know, 8th of May, which is oh God, my English. Wait a moment. The Liberation Day from National Socialism.
Wow, okay.
Which
And
gives me goosebumps.
do you get nervous?
I'm
Yeah,
always nervous.
yeah.
I mean, it's exciting, you know. It's
Yeah.
a lot of people, a lot of stress, a
Yeah.
lot of everything. So yeah.
Okay, so this is what you're playing with tonight?
Exactly, that's my setup. There hidden is also my little effect pedal,
Okay, yeah.
which I just got recently, and I really love it.
What is it?
It's from Maris, called Mercury X.
Mercury X. We can
It's
just
awesome.
see it there. What is it? Reverb delay?
It's a Hull, sorry, and it has a lot of different algorithms, and
Yeah.
you can have presets, and you can fade from one to the other preset, so to say, and have a lot of flexibility in regards of the different
Cool.
modifications. It's really nice.
Wicked. Okay, so I've got some questions.
Yeah, please
All
go.
right, what's going on? So it looks like we've got circadian rhythms. We're using this for percussion.
Yeah, exactly, for drums,
Yeah.
percussions, samples.
Is this your main sequencer?
That's my main sequencer, Verbose
Wow.
Electronics,
Yeah.
multi-stage for bass lines, melodies, and then I also have on top the 5-step sequencer, which I also use in different ways, either to sequence the sequencer or whatever,
Yeah.
whatever is needed. Yeah.
It looks like you're a fan of Verbose stuff. I
Yeah,
think, by the way.
totally. I really love their modules. They're super flexible. You can patch them very easily. They just sound awesome. They
Yeah.
have so much, richness in their different sound colors. It's really amazing.
So we've got filter over here, high pass, low pass.
Exactly.
We've also got another VCF over here.
Oh, yeah, the search random
yeah.
one, the variable
I've
slope.
never used it.
It's awesome.
What is
It's
it
awesome.
that kind of...
I mean, it gives you this, it's such a flexible filter, and it has 2 inputs where you
Yeah.
can, fade between them.
Between them, right.
And it's also very, very richful. You can do badass acid bass lines with it or whatsoever. Yeah, it's quite nice one.
Lovely. So what's your main kick drum source?
Today I'm gonna use the battering ram from
The
Shackmat.
Shackmat.
Oh,
yes.
it's really, really cool, very
yeah.
flexible. Yeah, and then I have, I'm a MFB fangirl for sure. I have cymbal hi-hats from MFB,
Yeah.
the snare from MFB. Then I have the clap from Tip Top Audio. Maybe I use it, maybe I don't. Let's see.
Okay.
And then next to it, the LPZ Elstar. And I also do some noise kind of things, with the white noise from the Verbose going to the handy VCA of the Depfer LFO.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brilliant. And it looks like, is this your audio output here?
Yeah, that's my audio interface.
And
Yeah.
that's like a snake that will run to...
To the mixer,
yeah.
it has like 8 inputs and also, 8 audio inputs, that goes to the mixing desk, and it could also happen vice versa, but not today.
That's handy. It's nice and
Indeed,
compact, isn't it?
Indeed, yeah. It's
Okay,
from NW2S.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you perform? Do you just make it up? Have you got a few ideas? What is it, or do you just try and recreate some of your tracks? What is it you do?
No, I never try to recreate something. That's not very exciting to me, to be honest.
Yeah.
I mean, I have some ideas in mind,
Yeah.
but it's more in regards of how it should sound.
Yeah.
But I know my instrument, so I love to improvise, which I
Yeah.
do mostly. So I hope everything will go as I want to.
I love that. I love now I'm going to go out there, I'm going to stand, I'm going to watch the show.
Nice.
Knowing that you're making this up on the fly. And it's just as exciting for us, I think, out there, because we know that you're in the moment. Every sound we hear is happening in real time, in the moment. We don't. You don't know what's going to happen next. Neither do we.
I know what's going to happen next.
Okay.
More or less.
Okay.
I hope.
And what do you think we're going to hear? Are we going hard tonight? Are we going ambient? Are we going to
No ambient at all. I'm not into ambient. I mean, I like to listen, but I don't like to play. So let's see. I need to first also feel the vibe, you know, how I feel. It's depends. But it will be dancey, for sure.
Wicked. Great. Well, I'm looking forward to it. And, of course, Cinema AV here as well. This is going to be really cool.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you
hope
so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Really appreciate it.
Oh, no biggie. Tschüssi.
Bye.